Ready to supercharge your Solana holdings and earn passive income? Let's dive into adding liquidity on Meteora, Solana's innovative DeFi platform. First, ensure you have a Solana wallet like Phantom or Solflare loaded with Sol and the tokens you want to provide. As liquidity, head over to the Meteora website and connect your wallet by clicking the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner. Once connected, navigate to the Add Liquidity section. This is where the magic happens. You'll find it prominently displayed on the platform. Now, choose the liquidity pool that aligns with your investment strategy. Consider factors like trading volume and impermanent loss risk before selecting a pool. Popular pools often involve Sol, USDC, or MSOL. Select the two tokens you wish to supply to the pool and enter the desired amounts. Keep an eye on the impermanent loss warning. It's crucial to understand how this can affect your return. Start with smaller amounts to test the waters. Meteora offers advanced features like range orders and concentrated liquidity. These allow for more capital-efficient liquidity provision, but they also come with increased complexity for beginners. It's best to stick to providing liquidity across the full range. Before finalizing your transaction, carefully review the details, including slippage tolerance and transaction fees. Adjust the slippage if needed, but be mindful of the potential for front-running. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transaction. Congrats! You're now a liquidity provider on Meteora. Your wallet will receive LP tokens representing your share of the pool. You'll start earning trading fees proportional to your contribution. Explore Meteora and start earning passive income.